Hello to my dearest friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Karamina Fuadi. I made videos about sophisticated lifestyle on a budget. So if you are interested on the subject, you might want to subscribe to this channel. So in today's video, it's a bit zoom in because I want to show you guys how to do brow lamination at home. Before I get into the tutorial, I would like to explain a little bit about this brow lamination. So basically, brow lamination is a perm on your eyebrows. Lately, it is a trend to have bushy eyebrows. And personally, I really have a really thick eyebrow, but my eyebrows right now is trimmed yesterday, and I really want to try this brow lamination by myself. So if you guys want to know, then keep on watching. And disclaimer, I am not a professional. This is my first try too. So before we get into the tutorial on how I laminate my eyebrows, I'm gonna show you guys how I trim my eyebrows first. If you never trim your eyebrows, I hope this will help you to do that. First thing first, brushing your eyebrows upwards with a spoolie, and then we are gonna mark your eyebrows from there. For the inner part of your eyebrow, it should be in a line with the inner corner of your eyes and the tip of your nose. This is where your eyebrow should begin. And for the outer part of your eyebrow should be in a line with the middle of your upper lip through the outer part of your nose and then your outer corner of your eyes, and that's where the brow should end. And for the arch, it should be in a line with the tip of your nose and the middle of your pupil. After you mark your eyebrows, you can draw the eyebrows and then make it as a guide to trim your eyebrows. Then you can start brushing your eyebrows downwards and then shift down the hair around your eyebrows up to the guidelines. And after that, you can brush the eyebrow upwards again and then pluck all the hair off the lower part of your eyebrows up to the guideline. Once it's finished, you can brush your eyebrows upwards and trim them up to the guidelines again. And basically you're done. If you mastered this, you can do this without the guidelines later like me. I'm gonna do my other eyebrows without the guidelines. So right now I'm going to do the brow lamination. I actually got a kit from Roona. This kit is called Win My Brow Game. This is a brow lamination at home kit that you can use at home. So in this kit you will get step 1 cream and the step 2 cream. So there will be 2 steps using this product. And you also got a little tiny spoolie here and also a little bit of saran wrap to wrap your brows on the treatment. And what I like on this kit is you also got this hourglass. This is 8-minute hourglass. So when you do the treatment, you're gonna use this hourglass. In this kit, it says that I only have to use the first cream and then I'm gonna wrap my eyebrows with this saran wrap that I got from here. But I've seen a lot of tutorial on doing brow lamination at home. They mostly glued their eyebrows first and then brushing their eyebrows, then start the treatment. So I'm going to do that before I start the treatment. So this would be my first step before I do the lamination. I am applying eyelash glue on my eyebrows and then brushing it upwards. And once it's a bit tacky, I kind of pat my eyebrows with my spoolie stick so it would stick to my skin. I'm actually doing this a little by a little so it doesn't dry fast, because once it's dried up, it's gonna be hard for you to brush them all up neatly. If I do this, I have plenty of time to brush them all neatly. So I finished applying the glue on my eyebrows. I'm gonna start with the first tab. Here I'm using a bit of the Phase 1 cream from Roona and applying it on my eyebrows with cotton bud. Once it's applied, I place the saran wrap on them and basically wait for 8 minutes. You can use the hourglass or just use your phone timer. And after 8 minutes, I took off the saran wrap and cleaned my eyebrows with a wet tissue and brushing them again with a spoolie. So now I'm finished with the first step. Now I'm moving to the second step. Once it's clean, I'm applying the Phase 2 cream and wrap my eyebrows again and wait for another 8 minutes and then clean them again with wet tissue and dry tissue to dry them. Once I finish, I brushing them again with a spoolie, and at this part you can style it a bit so it's not that upwards. And here I also fill my eyebrows a little bit with the brow tint, and basically it's done. So I'm finished doing my eyebrow, and on this clip it's actually been 2 days since the first day I had them done. There's something I learned about this brow lamination. I think it's gonna be better that you trim your eyebrows after the treatment, not before, because I think it could be easier for me to shape my eyebrow. And so far I find it really easy, and to be honest, I'm not upset at all. I don't think there is a cons for this because this look really nice on me. I feel like my eyebrows are lifted, and I want to tell you guys that if you want to try to do brow lamination at home like me, you shouldn't wash your eyebrows 48 hours after the treatment, or else it's just gonna ruin everything. It's been 2 days and I didn't wash my eyebrows at all. When I clean up my face, it's just like I try so hard not to touch my eyebrows, and so far it still lasts on my eyebrows, and I really like it because I trim my eyebrow first, and then after the treatment I feel like my eyebrows doesn't shape that right. That's why I had to fill them a little bit with my tinted eyebrow, and I don't mind about that. Maybe I could try better on the next treatment, but right now I feel satisfied with the result. I kind of assumed it would be a fail for me, and since it's locked down everywhere, I think it's gonna be better if you do the treatment at home. And I think this kit would help you better to do brow lamination at home. And I would recommend you to do the first step that I did by brushing your eyebrows first upwards and then lock it with the eyelash glue, because it just helps you do it better. So yeah, I would recommend you to buy this kit, and this kit only costs you around 300,000 rupiah, so I think it's a great deal for you to do it at home. I wouldn't say it's very cheap, but I think it's worth to try, because I feel like my eyebrows look like microbladed, but it's not, and it looks natural but yet really look well shaped. I'm actually really satisfied with the project that I did at home. So this is the end of the video. I hope you find this video really informative and help you to do your brow lamination at home. I'm signing off. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.